Welcome to Information Center Question Bank Multiple Choice with Answer for New Pattern Examination. How many days of HLAP in a year can be credited to an employee? Option A 20 days, option B 10 days, option C 30 days, option D 12 days. Answer option A 20 days in a year. How many days of LAP in a calendar year a permanent temporary railway servant shall be entitled to get? Option A 10 days, option B 15 days, option C 30 days, option D 45 days. Answer option C 30 days in a calendar year. A female railway employee shall be entitled to maternity leave for option A 365 days, option B 120 days, option C 90 days, option D 180 days. Answer option D 180 days. For miscarriage, including abortion, what period of maternity leave may be granted? Option A 6 weeks, option B 30 days, option C 7 weeks, option D 45 days. Answer option D 45 days. Paternity leave is admissible with less than 2 surviving children for a period of option A 10 days, option B 20 days, option C 25 days, option D 15 days. Answer option D 15 days. Maximum days of leave on average pay that can be accumulated is option A 120 days, option B 180 days, option C 240 days, option D 300 days. Answer option D 300 days. LAP shall be credited to a railway servant at the rate of option A 2.5 days per month, option B 3 days per month, option C 2 days per month, option D 1.5 days per month. Answer option A 2.5 days per month. How many days of LAP per year can be credited to a school staff? Option A 10 days, option B 5 days, option C 7 days, option D 8 days. Answer option A 10 days. How many days of LHAP can be accumulated to an employee in his service life? Option A 300 days, option B 240 days, option C 360 days, option D unlimited. Answer option D unlimited. A male railway servant may be granted paternity leave having surviving children. Option A 2, option B 1, option C 3, option D no limit. Answer option A 2 surviving children. Up to what limit maternity leave may be combined with any kind of leave? Option A 1 year, option B 2 years, Option C, unlimited. Option D, 6 months. Answer option B, 2 years. A trade apprentice may be granted leave on full stipend for a period not exceeding blank days per year. Option A, 15 days. Option B, 13 days. Option C, 10 days. Option D, 12 days. Answer option D, 12 days. Apprentice machines in railways workshops may be granted leave on full stipend for period not exceeding. Option A, 16 days. Option B, 20 days. Option C, 24 days. Option D, 30 days. Answer option A, 16 days. Gazetted officers may be granted LAP for the period exceeding 180 days but not exceeding blanks if leave granted outside India. Option A, 120 days. Option B, 240 days. Option C, 300 days. Option D, 360 days. Answer option B, 240 days. Study leave shall count for option A, recognition seniority. Option B, recognition increment. Option C, earning LAP. Option D, earning LHAP. Answer option C, earning LAP. Which of the following category is entitled for hospital leave? Option A, Group A. Option B, Group B. Option C, other than Group A and B. Option D, none. Answer option C, other than Group A and B. When no leave is admissible under any other rule, the leave granted is known as option A, LAP. Option B, LHAP. Option C, SPL leave. Option D, extraordinary leave. Answer option D, extraordinary leave. Maximum encashment of leave on overage pay is blanks during the service before retirement. Option A, 240 days. Option B, 60 days. Option C, 360 days. Option D, 300 days. Answer option B, 60 days. Who is the authority to sanction special disability leave? Option A, Senior Scale Officer. Option B, JA Grade Officer. Option C, DRM. Option D, ADRM. Answer option D, ADRM. Leave of any kind can be combined with vacation in the case of option A, officers. Option B, office staff. Option C, running staff. Option D, railway school teacher. Answer option D, railway school teacher. What is the maximum period of leave on average pay at time that a railway servant may be granted? Option A, 120 days. Option B, 240 days. Option C, 180 days. Option D, 300 days. Answer option C, 180 days. What is the maximum limit of leave not due that may be granted to a permanent railway servant during his entire service period? Option A, 360 days. Option B, 240 days. Option C, unlimited. Option D, 300 days. Answer option A 360 days. Within which period paternity leave can be granted? Option A 6 months, option B 12 months, option C 4 months, option D 10 days. Answer option A 6 months. Paternity leave is also admissible to option A casual labor, option B casual labor with temporary status, option C after completion of 180 days of service, option D after regular absorption. Answer option B casual labor with temporary status. Whom does the compensatory casual leave is admissible? Option A supervisory staff, option B group D staff, option C group C and group D staff but not supervisor, option D stenographer and confidential assistant, option E only group A. Answer option C group C and group D staff but not supervisor. Commuted leave is admissible on option A medical certificate, option B request of an employee, option C discretion of competent authority, option D none. Answer option A on medical certificate. If a railway employee applied for a kind of leave, says LAP, in advance, the competent authority may option A sanction as CL, option B sanction as LWP, option C refuse to sanction it, option D convert it as commuted leave. Answer option C refuse to sanction it. A railway shall be granted leave of any kind for a continuous period of not exceeding option A 3 years, option B 4 years, option C 5 years, option D no limit. Answer option C 5 years. Which of the following leave can be combined with vacation in case of a school teacher? Option A only LAP, option B only LHAP, option C any kind of leave, option D special disability leave. Answer option C any kind of leave. How many occasions does a workshop staff be granted half a day's LAP? Option A 6 occasions, option B no limit, option C 6 occasions, option D 12 occasions. Answer option A 6 occasions. Hospital leave granted to a non-gazetted railway servant should not exceed a total of blanks when combined with other leave. Option A 24 months, option B 36 months, option C 28 months, option D 18 months. Answer option C 28 months. What is the maximum limitation of leave not due granted on medical certificate during the entire period of service? Option A 360 days, option B 365 days, option C no limit, option D 240 days. Answer option A 360 days. Maximum of study leave that can be granted to an employee during his entire service period is option A 36 months, option B 12 months, option C 24 months, option D 30 months. Answer option A 36 months. In case of cut in pension for compulsory retirement as a measure of punishment, leave engagement is admissible for option A 360 days, option B 150 days, option C unutilized days, option D not eligible. Answer option D not eligible. Which of the following leave may be granted to a railway servant volunteered to donate blood in government railway hospitals for railway employees? Option A special casual leave, option B casual leave, option C LAP, option D LHAP. Answer option A special casual leave. If a railway servant resigns from service during study leave and it is converted into regular leave as LAP, LHAP leaving balance, such a balance shall be treated as option A unauthorized absence, option B extraordinary leave, option C study leave, option D leave not due. Answer option B extraordinary leave. Who is the authority to grant study leave abroad? Option A GM, option B DRM, option C CPO, option D Railway Board, option E Depot in charge. Answer option D Railway Board. Who is the competent authority to grant study leave within India? Option A Railway Board, option B GM, option C DRM, CWM, option D CPO, option E Depot in charge. Answer option B Railway Board. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe Information Center and like and share this video. Thank you.